In this video, I'll explain what wind shear is, how it affects aircraft, and what pilots do to stay safe. Wind shear means a sudden change in wind speed or direction over a short distance. This can happen horizontally or vertically, and it can affect any phase of flight, especially takeoff and landing. Wind shear is most common near thunderstorms, heavy rain, or strong frontal systems. It can also occur near mountains, tall buildings, or even on hot days when the air is unstable. But the most dangerous form of wind shear often comes from something called a microburst. A microburst is a small but intense downdraft of air, falling quickly from a thunderstorm and hitting the ground. When this air hits the surface, it spreads out rapidly in all directions, creating strong horizontal wind shear. If an aircraft is flying into a microburst on final approach, it can experience a sudden headwind, followed by a tailwind, causing a dangerous loss of lift. When an aircraft suddenly loses lift during approach, it can sink rapidly, even if the engines are at full power. Pilots have just seconds to recognize the wind shear and react. The danger is especially high when the plane is close to the ground, with little room for recovery. Modern aircraft have onboard wind shear detection systems. These systems use radar to warn pilots if wind shear is ahead. In that case, pilots are trained to execute a wind shear escape maneuver, full power, nose-up attitude, and climbing away immediately. Sadly, several tragic accidents have been caused by wind shear. One of the most well-known was Delta Flight 191 in 1985, which crashed while landing in Dallas due to a severe microburst. This led to major improvements in detection systems and pilot training. Wind shear is invisible, unpredictable, and extremely dangerous. But thanks to modern technology and strict pilot procedures, it's now much safer than it used to be. Still, it remains a key topic in aviation safety. Did you already know about wind shear? Or have you ever experienced a bumpy landing due to strong winds? Let me know in the comments.